Good morning, Happy Hippo. Today the book is about kitties, cats. And I have my little friend right here. And the title of this book is Three Little Kittens. Three little kittens, they got new mittens, and they began to cheer. Oh, mother dear, may we go out to play? Put on your mittens, you sweet little kittens, and you may go and play. Meow, meow, meow. Yes, you may go and play. The three little kittens, they played and played. They spun and lived in pounds. Oh, mother dear, we sadly fear our mittens we have lost. What? Lost your mittens? You careless kittens? Then you shall have no pie. Meow, meow. The kittens cry, for they will have no pie. Let's find our mittens, then say the kittens. Meow, meow, meow. Soon, one little kitten had found her mittens. Then the second mitten had found his mitten. And the third little kitten then found his mitten. Oh, mother dear, see here, our mittens we have found. What? Found your mittens? You darling kittens, now you shall have some pie. Meow, meow, meow. You shall have some pie. Purr, 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 purr. They soon ate up the pie. Oh, mother dear, look here, look here. We fear we've made a mess. You silly kittens, you're wearing your mittens. Their mother began to sigh. Meow, meow, meow. They all began to sigh. The three little kittens, they washed their mittens. And hung them out to dry. Oh, mother dear, see here, our mittens we have washed. What? Wash your mittens? My good little kittens, meow, meow, meow. The three little kittens put on the clean mittens, and they began to cheer. Oh, mother dear, may we go out to play? And that it's the end. Bye, Happy Hippo.